Hi babe, welcome back to my channel. This tutorial is going to show you the best, the finest, the most beautiful short hairstyles for black women. Like the most gorgeous when it comes to colors, to textures, to style, to accessorizing. Oh my god, are these hairstyles like everything you need? And they are over 100 hairstyles, like over 100 inspiration for your short hairstyle. If you're scared, you haven't yet cut your hair, if you've cut your hair and you've been confused, you ran out of ideas, oh my god, are these hairstyles the best? Each of these lady looks mwah, they look delicious. Guys, can you see this? Talk about colors. Later in the video, you're going to see people that made different like prints. Some were making like hearts, some were making like cheetah print on their hair. Like the expression, it's just limitless, it is boundless, it is beautiful. Even the low effort ones, like the ones that we just passed, like very easy maintenance. Oh my god, are these hairstyles gorgeous? At the end of this video, I will link two videos that I found that are like tutorials of how to achieve most of these hairstyles. Many of them are finger curls or like molded hairstyles, or like this. I'm going to these finger curls. You'll see tutorials of how to achieve that if you want to. And girl, like, just enjoy yourself. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. There are over 100 of them, so enjoy and go slay.